Hi everyone, it's Derek here from AduMed. Now, if I'm being completely honest, as a GP trainee, I often struggle to think about a practical reason why we need to know all the stats for this exam. So in today's video, we look at sensitivity, specificity, and the predictive values, negative and positive, but we do so in a practical way, thinking about how it will actually affect you on a day-to-day as you see your patients. I really find this is the easiest way and the best way to look at statistics, as you can see how it directly impacts your clinical care. So with that said, let's dive straight in.
A systemic review estimated that a PSA cutoff of 4 has a sensitivity of 21% with a specificity of 91% for detection of any prostate cancer. So what do these figures mean and how would you explain it to your patients? Well, let's look at this population example. In terms of a disease like prostate cancer, some people will have the disease and others won't. Some people will have a positive PSA test and others won't. As discussed, the sensitivity of this test is 21% and its specificity is 91%. When we first approach sensitivity, we do so by looking at all the people that are positive for the disease, which in this case are the people circled in red. In this group, we look into what proportion of those people actually tested positive. So these are the people circled in green. These are the true positives. Working this out will give us a sensitivity of 21%. When looking at specificity, we think of it in terms of the population of individuals who are actually disease-free. So these are those circled in yellow. And we want to know what proportion of these people test negative. So those are the people circled in blue. These are our true negatives. So this will give us a specificity of 91%. We can apply a similar principle to working out positive and negative predictive values. Positive predictive value tells us the percentage of people who test positive that are actually positive. So for example, if I test positive for a particular disease such as prostate cancer, following going for a PSA test, the positive predictive value tells me what the chances are that I actually have the disease tested for. So let's think about the main difference between positive predictive values and sensitivity. For example, if we look at the sensitivity section here, everyone here actually has the disease. So the difference between the numerator and the denominator here is outlined by the test itself rather than the individual's disease status. Everyone in this group has the disease, so prevalence is not an issue here. This differs from positive predictive values. As you can see by the circled area in green, you have individuals here that both have and don't have the disease. The difference between the numerator and denominator is therefore affected by the disease prevalence in the community. This same way of thinking can be applied when looking into the differences between negative predictive values and specificity. So, if you've made it this far into this video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to tap that like and subscribe button to see more content like this. Wishing you all the best in your revision, and I'll see you soon.